Hey guys, just giving you a quick update on the 67 Mustang project. I was going to install the old heater tube right here, but I decided to end up getting a brand new one. So here I am kind of taking off the sensor right there. I put the alternator on and the alternator bracket. Also ended up putting the power steering bracket and pump on as well. Took the fuel rail off. I rebuilt the injectors. I don't think I got video of that, but yeah, I replaced all the seals and the micro filters. So yeah, here I am just kind of putting on the alternator. I jumped into the back and finished putting the reverse lights in, and then I started rewiring the new gauges that I got with new Molex connectors and I think a female 16-pin connector so I could attach it to my painless wiring harness. Anyway, so here's how it sits right now. It's going to get a couple more things done to it, but it should be on the road soon.